Hello, fellow thinkers. Welcome to the Thinkers Republic. This is Anthony Sandot. Today, I will show you how to remove and install RAM from motherboard. If you don't know how to remove and install RAM from motherboard, then watch this video all the way until the end as I show you how. Hi guys! So that's how easy it is to remove RAM from motherboard. If you also want to know how to remove other parts from motherboard, then watch my other video on how to remove and install fan from motherboard and how to remove and install processor from motherboard. If you learn from this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, but don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Thank you guys!